other hand, the person might postpone doing things. So this habit, procrastination, is a very big weakness in a person's character.
Right. I agree with you, Charul, there. And of course, if we are looking at a person may be creative, or a person may want to be only a perfectionist,
Yes.
that is also a problem.
Oh yes. Oh yes. See, perfectionist. That can be a strength for a person, and it can also become a weakness. So that's a very you have a very thin difference between being perfectionist as a strength and becoming as a weakness. Because a person who wants perfection in everything might not find it so in all the circumstances.
Yes. And then he or she may find negative points in other persons as well, because
Absolutely.
he or everybody is not a perfectionist like her or
Yes,
him.
yes, yes, yes.
So that
Very
is
true.
another important point.
Important point, yes. And then opportunities. This is actually analysis of an individual. So the person's opportunities were, the person had done a particular course which would help him attain the objectives, attain some kind of placements, and the person knows how to blog. So reach out to various people
Yes.
and inform them about the achievements of the person.
But every time blogging is not, helpful, I would say that.
Yes.
Because whatever information is posted on the blog, number one, everybody cannot read those blogs.
Yes.
But at the same time, they may not find the material posted on it interesting as well.
Yes, very
So
true.
every time, it can't have the same effect as the writer or the person wants it.
Absolutely. So let us move on to do an individual SWOT analysis. This is a case study of Asmita. Asmita is 21 years old. She has just taken her final year BCom examinations. She is very sincere student and also an excellent painter. She has won many art competitions. When she graduates, her parents want her to start working because the family needs financial support. So let us together do a SWOT analysis for Asmita. So tell me, Aarti, what do you think could be her strengths?
I feel age is her biggest strength,
Mm-hmm.
because she's just 21 years old.
Yes.
As we know that she's just taken her final year BCom examination. She has
yes.
her entire life in front of her.
Absolutely.
So age is her big
Strength.
is
Yes,
her
yes,
strength.
I agree.
And also her doing graduation is a strength.
yes, her doing graduation is a strength, that at least she has got a degree. But sometimes, I don't know, do you agree that person might need to do some higher education? Because in modern world, there's so many people who are graduates. So if you want to pursue your career in studies and related fields, maybe MCom would...
Oh yes, she could go for MCom, or if she's very good in her studies, then after graduation you can even go for your MBA degree.
Yes, yes, why
You know,
not?
nowadays
Why not?
MBA is in fashion.
In
And
fashion,
I would
yes.
say that, of course, there are a
Yes.
lot of positives to becoming a postgraduate
Yes.
and gaining that degree, because there are many opportunities that are available in
Available.
the
Yes, yes, yes.
market and in the society outside.
Yes.
But definitely she needs to do something beyond
Beyond
BCom.
BCom, yes.
So graduation, though, is a strength,
Strength, huh?
maybe it could be a weakness as
Weakness
well,
as
or it
well,
could
yes.
be it could pose a threat to her later in life.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is one point which I wish to say.
But I think her weakness, according to me, probably is that she does not make up her own mind. She does not know herself, because nowhere it is mentioned that what she herself wants to do in
Yes,
future.
yes.
It's said that her family wants financial support, but what does Asmita want is not mentioned.
So maybe she may not do MCom, or she may not go in for higher studies, and because her family needs financial support,
Yes.
she may go to work, and this maybe she has to gulp down her wishes
yes,
and her
yes,
desires, and not move forward. So that could be a weakness.
Yes. But one of the opportunities that I can see for Asmita is that she is a painter and she has won many art competitions. That might actually help her.
Yes, in fact, being a painter is a very good, is our, what to say, a strength,
It's
one
a
of her strengths.
Yes, one of her strengths actually. And when she has won art competition, she can hold her own exhibitions,
Yes.
sell her paintings. She can even conduct painting classes.
Yes.
So she can probably study as well as work simultaneously.
Yes. So simultaneously,
possibly.
she can do that.
Yes.
Definitely.
Huh.
But what about some external threats? If we are looking at what can she bump into?
The only thing, according to this case study, that I can see is possibly her family needing financial support. That I think is a very strong threat that comes to her.
Yes.
Because when her family needs financial support, she might have to take up a job right away so that her family gets support. So, we have prepared a grid, didn't we?
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
SWOT
yeah.
analysis of Asmita.
Yeah. So let's have a look at that.
These are the strengths according to us, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of
Yes.
Asmita.
Okay. So we have again age, as we said,
Yes.
sincerity, being painter, and of course weaknesses. Listening to her family. We did
yes.
think about that.
Yes.
And threats are her
Being only a graduate.
only a graduate.
Yes.
So she needs to work upon her weaknesses and threats.
Yes.
And of course, but she needs to look at her family as well. So
As well.
keeping her family in mind, if she can do something,
Yes.
so that it helps herself also,
Yes.
to achieve her objectives as well as her family is taken care of. I think
Yes.
she needs to go forward.
Go
from
forward.
there.
Absolutely. Shall we give students one or two more case
Yes.
studies to
Yes,
work upon?
Yes, I think so. We need to do that.
Yes, so we move on to the next slide. This is another case study about Nitesh. Nitesh is a young engineer. The next slide, please. Young engineer who has always stood first in his class. He has been selected by a reputed company and has been offered a very good pay package.
His father has retired and gets a small pension. He has a younger sister who is studying and needs financial support. Nitesh has also got a scholarship to go abroad and to do his PhD.
We want the students to prepare a SWOT analysis on the lines that we had shown earlier. So they can work on this case study and prepare a presentation prepare a SWOT analysis for Nitesh. Shall we give them a minute to write down this
Yes.
case study?
I think you've already given them a grid,
yes,
so
they already
they can
have
look
grid,
at
yes.
the grid and do it.
Definitely, Hanji.
I think you can also tell them in 2 or 3 minutes, about the organizational SWOT
Yes,
analysis.
of course. Yes, of course.
So if we can just
We move on
We
to the SWOT analysis of an organization, the next slide. The way we did SWOT analysis for individual, SWOT analysis can also be done for an organization. So there are also internal and external factors, strengths and weaknesses of an organization,
Yes.
as well as opportunities and threats. For example, in this particular slide,
in this particular slide, we can see strengths as the firm's brand name and resources. What are the resources that they have with them? And maybe the opportunities are what are the demand. So if they can build on that or
Yes,
expand their business,
Yes,
accordingly.
yes,
So they are looking at their future. Then of course, weaknesses is low product awareness and poor facility location.
yes.
I think this is very important because as long as their weaknesses are not taken care of, then they won't be going into their profits and
Yes.
they can't whatever opportunities come their way, they will not be in a position to expand further.
Expand further, absolutely.
And of course, threats are always there. Competitors are always a threat. And as you know, recession.
Recession, yes.
What is
These
happening
days
today?
again, RBI again indicated that a recession might be
Yes.
coming our way. So they are definitely threats, and economy is sometimes in a volatile condition. So definitely these become very important threats to an organization.
Yes.
So we move on to the next slide, which is the analysis of a sales of a book a writer has written a book. So how can the sales of that book be analyzed using the SWOT analysis? So we can plot the strengths and weaknesses as well as opportunities and the threats. The strength might be volume of the book sales, and it might be a cheap book in core market.
Yes.
That reminds me of Chetan Bhagat. When his book was launched, he said that I don't want my book to be very expensive. I want everybody to read my book.
Yes,
so
definitely.
The business was done primarily on volume and not on the price. Yes.
But I think an author has to face technological impacts.
Absolutely.
Because unless the technology, he counters technology.
Yes.
Then maybe, his books are not going to sell. Whatever he writes, he has to think on those lines.
Yes.
And now again, e-books have come up.
E-books have come up in a big way. So when you have a printed book, how much is that book? How many people are going to buy that book?
I think that's a $1 million question. $1 million question.
Absolutely, yes. People now spend, the youngsters, Facebook and Google, and they spend so much of their time doing that, and they have less time to look at the books.
Yeah, the problem is now that they prefer to download than to buy books.
Yes,
that is the whole thing.
Yes. So finally, we would like the students to remember the SWOT matrix. Strengths are something that are good now. We have to maintain our strengths, build upon our strengths, and bring a leverage in our strengths. And weaknesses are things which are bad now, but they need not be bad forever.
Forever, right.
We can remedy whatever is bad now, we can stop whatever is bad in us, and build a better character, better personality, better individual.
In fact, I think each one of us need to look at opportunities, scout around for opportunities so that we can build a good future for ourselves.
Yes.
And of course, in this search for opportunities and in this search for a good future, we need to prioritize also.
Absolutely.
Opportunities which we should take today and which we should take tomorrow.
Yes.
And of course, we have to counter the threats. Because if we do not counter the threats, you cannot expect to have a good future.
Absolutely.
It has to be a bleak future.
Yes.
It has to be a bad future.
Yes.
So we have to counter them.
Yes.
And I think we ourselves are in a position to understand one's own self. Then only we can look at our future to be bright. If we want our future to be bright, we need to work upon our own selves.
Absolutely, Aarti. Very true. So we have to strike a balance between an individual, internal factors as well as external factors, between what is good in ourselves and what is bad in ourselves, and what is good and bad in the external. I move on to the last slide, which might be necessary for the students. This is about references. The students can look at these references quickly, and they can get further study material by following these websites on the internet. Thank you very much, Aarti, for
thank you, Charul.
The interactive session, and I also welcome the students. If they have any questions, they can pose the questions to us, and thanks a lot for the presentation.
Thank you.
Thank you.